Hi guys. So guys, if $30 is not very small for you, then come in here so that I will show you how you can make $30 by doing a very simple tax. Look at it. You can withdraw $3, $6, $12, $30. So let me teach you and show you how you can be able to do this particular tax. It is very, very simple. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's go. So look at the app here, Viewpoint. So when you finish downloading it, you go and click on it. When it's open, the interface will be like this. You see it, you are in control through Viewpoints. We will explain what data is collected and how it's being used. So you just press continue. When you press continue, so it will ask you log in or create an account. So as a new user, so I will advise for you to sign up, please use Facebook. Don't use phone number, use Facebook. So just continue as lighting. Just use your Facebook to sign up. This is the interface will bring. So this is my Facebook name. So if this is my Facebook name, so let's just continue. My date of the name, my first name, surname, country of residence, just leave everything the way it is because this is your Facebook name. Then the language you speak most often, just write English. So when you are done with that, you go to next. So it's telling us to get updated with notification through your email or through your SMS. So I'll choose my email address. Allow and continue. So let's put email address. Just type in your email address, your working email address. Allow Viewpoint to send you marketing. We can just leave this one, don't accept it, then continue. So let's go to our email to check. Viewpoint. Confirm your email. So this is the hi Anita, you're almost there. Please confirm your email to set up your Viewpoint. So press confirm. So you see that you are all set. Thank you for confirming your email. You have completed an important setup in your setting of your account. So let's go back to app. Just press go to app, allow, open. So look at it now. We like to send you notification. If you want notification, you just press allow. But me, I don't want any notification. If I need any, I'll go to the app and check. So our press don't allow notification, but you can allow to see when you have tax. So our advice you allow notification. So let's continue. Welcome to Viewpoint and thank you for this. So you just press continue the program. The new program available. Join and participate in the daily screen activities program to earn points. Let's see. So this is just for you to read and go through it so that you'll be able to know everything. So let's just go back. So basically how the thing works, every 5 days they will post a tax for you. Every 5 days, and it takes 2 minutes. You are done. So you go to this one is your program. This is the interface of your program. Any tax that you see that's available, then this interface is your reward. Right now you have 0 points because you've not done any tax. So when you do other ones 1,000 points you get $3 and so on. You can view more rewards and see that when you reach 2,000 points you get $6, when you reach 3,000 points you get $9, when you reach 4,000 points you get $12, and so on and so forth. So basically that is it. So when you go to account, this will show everything about your info, contacts, your phone number and other, your email address. So you can add referral code also, but that is not a must. You can just leave it like that way. So let's do the tax for today. See details, so that will show you how to basically do the tax. It's assumed that you've already read all these things. You read everything about how to participate, extract bonus, why it helps, data collection and use. You need to basically read it, your permission, because the meta is asking you for permission to collect those data. So and so forth and so that. You just read. So you continue. After reading also you continue. So they are now asking you turn your points into reward. Sorry. Now say allow and continue. So you are good to go. Earn 250 points for each task that you complete. Earn 250 points for each task that you complete in daily screen activity program. Each task should take about 5 minutes. So join the program. Just click on join the program. So that is it. This interface just trying to tell you how you can be able to do the task. I will do it so that you'll be able to see everything and how to do that. It's very simple. They're telling you, for example, they say go to your setting, your screen time, go to screen time, see all app activities. That is step 2. Step 3, you go to day. Step 4, you screenshots from because today, for example, today is Monday. Then they need a screenshot of all your activities in your phone, like the apps you mostly used. That's basically it. The apps you mostly use from yesterday to previous days, that is 5 days. So you just screenshot and send. So I will do the task now, then you see. So they're asking me upload screenshots for May 3rd 2026. So let's go and upload a screenshot for May 3rd 2026. So you leave the app. I'll go to my settings. I'll go to screen. Screen time. You go to your screen time. That is it. So we are here on our screen time. See your activities. You click on it. So they're telling us to remember, look at it, May 3rd 2026. That is what they are telling us to click on. So go to May 3rd. This is the arrow, just click on it to show you yesterday, May 3rd. So this is our most used app. You click on show more. So then I'll now screenshots. This is it. Basically my own, there is no much show more because I don't normally use this phone most times. This is not my main phone, so that's why you're not seeing my most used app. That is the reason it just few. So I'll screenshot. Then when you now screenshot the 2, because they just need the 2 file for it, you go and add. This is the first one you add. You add the second screenshot. make sure that it's showing the particular date that asking you to screenshot, May 3rd 2026. So you confirm after you finish uploading it. You confirm. It will upload immediately, then you now submit and continue. Remember, you are screenshotting like 5 days, so they now ask you screenshot May 2nd. So we're gonna screenshot again. This is May 2nd, that is on Saturday, right? You screenshots. You know, we stop at WhatsApp, right? We'll go up because I don't normally use this phone, that's the reason. So we'll still go up and screenshot more. We screenshot. So let's basically you go back and upload, fam. You allow it to load, you submit. So I'll do the rest off camera, so that when I'm done. By chance, did you come to office today? Okay, that is basically it. See, I'm done with today's tasks. So when you are done, this is what the interface will show you. Congratulations, you have earned 250 points. So that is it. So when you now click OK, you see you've already won 250 points from that particular tax. 250 points. So before you can catch out, the minimum is $3. So you can see that, and I'll show you the withdrawal method. So let's go to program. You see that you've already done for today's on account. So just one tax they gave me for it, the other of my account, but this one they gave me 2 tax, and which is really nice. So today I got 500 points. So today I got 500 points. So if you see this thing, just overload. I think because you've already done your tax, they will just be saying you're participating, but you've literally done it. When you check your point, you see it's 500 points. So that is it. View more rewards. Let's go back to program. They will tell you when next your program will. So they will tell you when next your program will commence. Look at tax 2 available in 5 days, 250 points. So you see it's not even up to 5 minutes. So your tax will be available in 5 days. 5 days should be Tuesday. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That should be on Saturday. You do your next tax. So guys, it's very simple. It's very simple. And be able to withdraw. Okay, I hope this video is very helpful. So if you have any question, put it in the comment section, then I'll put you through. Okay, so please guys, don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to like the video so that YouTube will push this video to other people, and don't forget to please subscribe, please. So I'll be putting some pictures at the end for you to see, because I said let me try the withdrawal to know whether this thing actually works, and it works. So I cashed out after $3 when I reached 1,000 points. So I was given $3. I didn't video it, I didn't record it, but I will show you my message. They send me a message when you opt for withdrawal. So when I reach that $3, that is 1,000 points, I opt for withdrawal. So they send $3, they send the $3 to me through my email. So it's through that email that you choose the kind of withdrawal you want to have. They have through PayPal, they have through a Visa transfer, they have through gift card. So I choose gift card, and I'll be showing you everything. I'll show you the images for you to know that the withdrawal actually works. Even as a Nigerian, you can also withdraw. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.